I'm Jay Hurt, relationship coach. Welcome to my channel, The Confident Charismatic, where we talk about charisma, confidence, and winning at life. So you have a woman, but she's not feeling you like you're feeling her. You love her, but here's the question. How do you make her love you? This one isn't easy, fellas, but if you follow these steps, she'll be sending out the save the date invites in no time. Let's get it. So this is a question from the beginning of time. How do you make a woman love you? In biblical examples, Adam just showed up, y'all. Eve was down. Jacob served 14 years to get Rachel's love. Boaz loved Ruth through his service to her. David set a man up for a fall to get the woman he wanted in hopes that she would love him. In history, Cleopatra acted like she loved Mark Antony, but keeping it 100, man, she needed Rome to protect her crown from Egypt. We don't know if she really loved that dude or not. Men have been trying to figure out through all of history how to make a woman love them. So let's start from the beginning in your relationship with your woman. You have to start here, where you are right now today. Clean the slate. What happened in the past with this woman is over today. What you want to do moving forward is brand new. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to clear your mind of who you have been in the past with this woman and to clear her perception of who you are moving forward. So we're going to jump into the 4 C's. Think about this, fellas. If you're building a platform for yourself on the concept of how do I make her love me, let's build it on these 4 cornerstone principles. Number 1 is confidence. Guess what, man? If you don't have it, she doesn't want you. Point blank, period. If you want a woman to love you, you need to give her a reason to believe you're worth it. Be confident. Develop confidence. We're going to talk about confidence on this channel a lot because it's the Confident Charismatic, right? So learn these tips and stick to them. Confidence is sexy. Ask any woman. And it's a requirement if you want your woman to believe in you, trust you, follow you, and yes, love you. Number 2 is clarity. Provide clarity for what you are planning to do and what your expectations look like in the future. This is a tricky one though. Talk about it a little, but be about it much more. If you say you're thinking about moving once you're married, the next time you bring it up, you should have a list of neighborhoods to move to, the cost of moving, and the careers you are considering moving into. Most importantly, show clarity into how she fits in everything that you do. Number 3 is character. Listen, fellas, be the man who does what he says he is going to do. Women have a security gene embedded in their DNA. So you can soothe her security gene when you follow through on what you say you're going to do. Also, show your values in other ways. For example, when you're at a restaurant, tip well and be gracious to the host and servers. Treat valets and people that do work on your house or other things for you as well as you treat your friends that are balling or executives you might know. Treat everyone the same. Define your core values in life and then do the hard thing. Work to live up to them. Everyone says they have values. Women follow men who actually walk in their values. And number 4 is my favorite, charisma. So if confidence, clarity, and character are tools, charisma is the toolbox. Women love men who show up with a vision, ambition, and the man connects with them well. He is likable, and most importantly, he knows how to make her feel loved. Whether you're cool like Denzel, brash like Muhammad Ali, or kind of quirky like Robert Downey Jr., your charisma is the container women want you to open to get to know you better. If a woman loves your charisma, all you have left to do is not mess it up. Okay, cool. So we have a foundation, right? You have something to build on. Now let's create the space for her to love you. I'm sure you're wondering, what does it mean to create space for her to love me? She can love me right now if she wants to. Right. She could be digging you right now like that, but if it was like that, there would be no need for this video. Listen, I want to show you how she will want to love you instead of you trying to get her to love you. Check this out. Leadership. Be willing to lead with vision, purpose, understanding, and humility. You won't always get it right. That's okay. Women love a man that is willing to lead. She wants to see your passion. If you want a woman to love you, show her that you have ambition. Women will follow, trust, and love where men are willing to lead. Also, create space. Creating space is creating a life of freedom and liberty while providing safety and security for your woman all at the same time. Women want to enjoy your presence and feel free and liberated, yet they want to feel safe and secure. Think about this in all areas of your life. So when you talk to her, let her know this is a safe space and make her feel like you want to hear what she is saying. Everyone mentions communication, which is important, but how does she feel about communicating with you? Does she feel like she can share anything? Can she truly be vulnerable with you? How do you make her feel secure physically? Do you check to make sure the doors are locked? Do you walk with her on the inside away from passing cars? Do you check on her when she's been on a long drive or when she's had a long day or things like that? Making her feel secure is actually another way of creating space for her. When she feels like you have her back, she feels safe and she can enjoy her life. Keep in mind, this is all about making the space for her to enjoy her life with you in it. So fellas, here's the real. If you want to make your woman love you, do everything you can to give her the space to grow and thrive, right? Support her, cherish her, honor her. Let her live her best life. So when she loves you, she won't have to tell you, bruh. You will be the first to know. It will radiate in her smile. You can feel it in her touch. Other people will tell you how much that woman loves you. Build a foundation, lead, create space, and you'll be well on your way to being in love and having the woman that you love you back and be the woman of your dreams. So check this out. How have you created space for a woman to love you? Let me hear what you've done in the comments. Smash the like button, share, comment. As always, I hope charisma is your superpower, and I appreciate you watching. Till next time.